I'm going to talk to you about how I used debt to make millions of dollars. So now I know we're going into what's called the holiday season. FICO Friday, the funding Friday. Let's get it. Absolutely. Because so I know we're going into the holiday season. I know people are going out there doing Black Friday shopping and doing all of these things and going into credit card debt. First of all, let me give you guys some advice. Do not fall for the banana in the tailpipe. Look, I know Gap told you can save 10% by applying for that credit card. Don't do it. Don't do it, because I'm telling you, you typically don't pay it off. Secondly, these department store cards don't even give you high limits. See, when you're going out there and applying for credit, and when you are getting, yes, I is a millionaire. That's right. See, when you're going out there and applying for credit cards, and when you got a bunch of low limit credit cards, what happens is when you go and start applying for business credit cards, they're going to give you limits based upon comparable trade lines. 500